When we do the installation, we provide superior service. This includes seaming, leveling the counters, setting them in place, and a thorough cleanup. We already know how these serving counters go together, so it makes it easy for us to go back in and reassemble them because we've already done this on the shop floor. Our expertise eliminates any learning curve. We build, level, and disassemble the counters before shipping, ensuring zero issues once we leave the site. This means fewer headaches for you and your team. We are committed to making our customers happy. We deliver what we tell them we're going to deliver with the assurance that down the road, they've got a strong partner that's going to be there when they need them.